will show your love to your wife again, though she is loved by another and is an adulteress. Love her as the Lord loves the children of Israel, though they turn to other gods, and love the sacred cakes of raisins.
So I went and bought her back for 15 shekels of silver, and a homer and a lethek of barley.
Then I said to her, "You will live with me many days. You must not be unfaithful or give yourself to another man, and I will behave the same way toward you."
For the children of Israel will live many days without a king or prince, without sacrifice or sacred stones, without ephod or household gods. Afterward they will return and seek the Lord their God and David their king. They will come trembling to the Lord and to his blessings in the last
This short chapter carries one of the deepest revelations of God's heart in the Old Testament. Hosea's life becomes a living prophecy, a mirror of divine love, mercy, and redemption. When God commands Hosea to love Gomer again, he isn't just asking for human forgiveness. He's revealing how divine love reaches into the filth of betrayal and still chooses to restore. Hosea buys back his unfaithful wife, paying the price to reclaim what was already his. This is a picture of Christ's redemptive work, where the Savior purchases back his people, not with silver or barley, but with his own blood. Gomer represents Israel, and by extension, humanity, who had chased after idols and false gods. Yet God's message is unwavering. I will love you still. Though Israel would go through a season without kings, altars, or guidance, God promises a day of restoration when hearts will turn back to him in reverence and awe. The final words of the chapter, "They will come trembling to the Lord and to his blessings in the last days," are prophetic of a spiritual revival, a time when those who have wandered far will recognize the greatness of God's mercy and return home. Hosea 3 teaches that love is stronger than judgment. It shows that God doesn't discard the broken, he redeems them. Just as Hosea reclaimed Gomer, God is constantly reclaiming his people, pulling them out of shame, addiction, rebellion, and despair, and restoring them into covenant relationship. This chapter invites every listener to see God not as a distant ruler, but as a faithful lover who says, "Even though you have turned away, I will still love you, and I will bring you back to me."